All right. Real quick video here, guys. Look, watch this video, and I'm going to guarantee that you're going to make between $100 and $1,000 in the next 3 days of using what I'm about to show you. So, if you're into making money sending emails, which I am, I love getting up in the morning or whenever and sending out an email blast and making anywhere from a few $100 to a few $1,000 with like 8 minutes of work, then you might be interested in what I'm going to show you. And there's a link to this product below. This product just launched, and what this is going to do is it's going to help you, well, it's going to create unlimited emails and funnels for you with no monthly fees. That's pretty huge because I pay hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars for my autoresponders and my funnel makers. So this might be worth you taking a look, especially since I'm going to give you a huge bonus if you go for this. I mean, I don't know if this is for you or if it's not. I really don't know. I'm just putting it out there, right? But it only costs 16 bucks. And so $16.93 one time, not a monthly fee. So I'll put a link to this below. But what's really going to make this worthwhile, come to this page and read everything you're going to get. But what is really, two things are really going to make this worthwhile for you. Let me show you one right now. Right here, double your money back guarantee. These guys are really behind this. So here's what's doing. If you get Funnel Mail Suite and you set it up and you don't make at least, right here, if you don't make at least $100 to $1,000 in the first 3 days, they'll give you double your money back. So they're pretty confident this is going to work for you, right? I mean, people don't just do that if their product is junk. Now, I don't know if this is going to work for you or if it's not, but you've got nothing to lose. And again, if you want to make money sending emails, I do. I make money sending out emails. So I know it's a great business. And if you want to get into it, this is the way you can get into it for cheap because you're not going to pay a monthly fee. But I'm going to make it even better for you because I'm going to give you a huge bonus package. Let me show you. So if you buy that through my link, I'm going to give you a huge bonus package worth 310 bucks. So you're going to, after you buy that product, you're going to come to this page. There'll be a link in your downloads in Warrior Plus, and you can come to this page and you'll see this video. But anyway, here's what I'm going to give you in bonus one. You're going to get the breakout code, and breakout code, what that did was in one click, it made $1,432 into the product creators accounts. And they're going to show you exactly how it does. And you're going to be able to replicate it in 20 minutes. That sold originally on Warrior Plus for $12.95. You're getting it for free, 100% free. But wait, there's more. Oh, I hate this. So cheesy and corny. Little Black Book. So this is their best insider black book of traffic sources. This is the same traffic sources that they use themselves to make huge money. And this product was $47. Again, you're going to get it totally free when you buy the autoresponder product through my link. And then bonus number 3 is the live case study, where they walk you over the shoulder step by step and show you what you need to do. This sold for $147 on Warrior Plus. And again, you're going to get it totally free as a bonus. And here's bonus number 4. This is huge. License rights to everything you're seeing right now. You're going to get the license rights to this entire funnel. So you'll be able to basically own this product. You haven't paid anything in developer fees. You didn't have to develop any of this product. You didn't have to do any of the hard work. but you're going to own it as if you did. And you're going to get the rights to resell it and make 100% commissions. So you're going to own this product outright. And again, this sold for $67 on Warrior Plus. You're going to get that 100% free. And then bonus number 5 is expert traffic training, how to set up the traffic, how to use it, all that. That originally sold for $37, and you're getting that for 100% free. So pretty decent bonus package, I think. And the total bonus package value is $310.95. And I hope it helps you get on the path to your success. That's it. And then I've added one more video here. It's kind of a wake-up call to some of you guys that need a shock to your system. And watching this video might piss you off. Actually, I kind of hope it does. And I hope it wakes you up. So anyway, there it is. Watch it. Don't watch it. Buy it. Don't buy it. Live your life. I don't care what you do. But you might want to take a look at this funnel mail product and grab it while you can. And what can I tell you? You know, any tool that can help me make money with my email business, I tend to grab it. I haven't bought this one yet. I'm going to probably buy it. I don't know. I've bought similar things to this. And this one intrigues me mainly because of this, but whatever. Anyway, okay, I'm in a digression now. My mind is going mental. So there it is, guys. It's on you. Do it, don't do it. It's your life. And I hope I can help you find your success path, whatever that might be to you, for you, to you, whatever. I'm losing my mind. I'm going to go away. Okay, go away. You bother me. I bother me. Everybody bothers everybody. Shut up. Share this video if you want. I don't care. Do what you want.